case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The United States Court of Appeals for the 11th Circuit heard a 2008 case, Intervest Construction Inc. v. Canterbury Estate Homes Inc., examining whether two floor plans called the Westminster and the Kensington were substantially similar and thus violated copyright laws. The district court had originally found that the floor plans were not substantially similar due to the differences in the arrangement of elements such as bedrooms, closets, and bathrooms. Upon review, the 11th Circuit emphasized that only the original and protected coordination and arrangement of spaces and elements should be compared in copyright infringement cases. The court also redefined substantial similarity to focus on the narrower scope of protection available for compilations. Despite Intervest's claims that the rule had been misinterpreted, the district court's decision was upheld. Ultimately, the 11th Circuit affirmed the district court's decision to grant summary judgment, stating there were significant differences between the two floor plans, making it impossible for a reasonable jury to find them substantially similar.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.